Hi, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics. Today I want to just give you a 5-minute lesson on the law of attraction. And today I want to speak to you about the law of attraction and what are you focusing on? The law of attraction, what are you focusing on? Yes, you're probably saying 5-minute lesson, Eyvette? Yes, I'm going to give you a 5-minute lesson. If you keep watching my videos and put all of what I'm saying together, I guarantee you, if you follow the steps correctly, you will change your life. Now, it's not coming from me. It's coming from God. It's coming from law. The same way that we have gravity, the same way that we have male and females, the same way we have the 4 seasons of the year, we have the law of attraction, the law of karma, the law of gender. All of these things are put into effect by our supreme being creator. So don't think God put you here and just said, I'm going to take care of the birds, the bees, the ants, the trees. But you, who are my master creation, I'm going to leave you out for the wolves. God didn't say that. He did not say that at all. Okay? So this video is on the law of attraction. What are you focusing on? Whatever you focus on is what you attract. Again, whatever you focus on is what you attract. I don't care if it's good things, bad things, or things you just don't remember. You attracted everything in your life. Now, I can't explain all the very details of why people have certain things happening in their lives. No one can answer that, only God. Okay? But I want you to understand what you focus on is what you are seeing in your external environment. As within, so without. As above, so below. That is very true. If you want to know what somebody's focusing on, look at their surroundings. Look at your surroundings. Okay? Don't tell people that you're analyzing them. But when people start to have things happening in their lives, look at how they think, what they say, who they are. And then you will start to realize how they have in their lives right now what they are seeing. Now, for you, as a lesson of today, I want to talk to you about what are you focusing on? Are you focusing on good, bad, the waking up in the morning, looking at the beautiful sunrise or the sunset? Are you looking at the trees as you're driving down the road and saying, wow, it's a blessing to be here just to be able to see this sight? Are you focusing on the beauty of the children, the animals, the ocean, walking in the nature trails, the beautiful fall trees that are out there? Or are you focusing on who said something to you today? Who said something that you didn't like? Oh, your boss that you can't stand. Oh, I can't stand my house. Oh, this car is about to break down again. Watch what you are focusing on, people. I tell people, if you have a smartphone, set the alarm on your phone to give you that reminder to remember what you're thinking about. I do it. Everyone needs to focus on what they're thinking about. My thoughts can change any minute, but it's my job to refocus myself on what it is that I know that I deserve and know what I want in my life. So if somebody had to say to you, every thought you think right now is going to manifest in your life, would you be very careful about what you're thinking of? Would you be very careful? Would you be very careful? If I told you whatever you think right now, it's going to manifest in your life. So if you say, I can't stand my husband, I wish he'd go somewhere, and all of a sudden your husband disappears, and you're crying for the next 5 years. How would you use that gift? It could be a gift. It is a gift. But if you use it wrong, it could be a curse. So you decide what it is you want to manifest in your life with your thoughts. The genie that's within inside of you is your own thoughts, is your own feelings. Once you put feelings to whatever it is you're thinking of, you just actually did a quantum leap and just shot it out to the universe just to come back to you. What are you focused on? What are you thinking? How are you feeling? Let that be your indicator in what direction you're going. Are you going towards love and happiness? Are you going towards fear and worry? What is it that you're focusing on? And if it's something that's bothering you, I advise you to get a quick perspective on the situation. My car broke down. Okay, but I can get another one. And you know what? I'll find a way to get to work. At least I got legs. At least I got arms. At least I have a house to live in. It may not be the best, but I love it anyway because it's allowing me to have a roof over my head. I'll work along to get something better, but right now, I'm blessed to have what I have right now. What is your perspective with your life right now? You either see the glass half full or half empty. Which one are you? This is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics, bringing you a law of attraction metaphysical lesson on you. If you like this video, please like it, please subscribe. It's a short video just to get you back in track. Again, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics. Follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. And if you want to buy crystals or metaphysical items and jewelry, go to store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. Again, this is Eyvette. Namaste.